In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get many entities using AgentBrains in N8N, step by step. If you work with workflows, automations, or AI agents, this can be a really helpful way to extract structured information and speed up your process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add the node, configure it, and execute it inside N8N. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Let's jump in. First, open your N8N workflow and go to the Nodes panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you can add all of the building blocks for your automation. In the search bar, type AgentBrains and select it from the list of available nodes. Once you click it, N8N will add the AgentBrains node into your workflow canvas. Now that the node is added, the next step is to choose Create a Meeting. This is the action you want to work with inside AgentBrains. Selecting the right action is important because it tells the node exactly what kind of output or task you want it to perform. In this case, you're preparing the workflow to gather multiple entities based on the meeting-related configuration. After that, you need to configure what you want. This is where you define the details for the node so it knows what to extract, process, or generate. Depending on your use case, you may enter instructions, set the required fields, and specify the data that you want returned. Take a moment here to be clear and specific, because the more detailed your configuration is, the better your results will be. If your workflow includes prompts or input fields, make sure those are aligned with the entities you want to get. For example, if you want names, dates, topics, action items, or other structured data, define them as clearly as possible. This helps AgentBrains understand exactly what to do and makes the output more reliable. Once everything is configured, the final step is to execute the node. You can run the workflow or test the step directly depending on how your N8N setup is arranged. When you execute it, AgentBrains will process your configuration and return the results based on the instructions you provided. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the entities come back in a structured way that you can use in later steps of your automation. If the output is not exactly what you want, go back and adjust the configuration. Sometimes a small change in wording or structure can make a big difference in the results. That's one of the best parts of working in N8N. You can test, refine, and improve the workflow until it behaves exactly the way you need. And that's it. You've now learned how to get many entities using AgentBrains in N8N by selecting the node from the right panel, choosing Create a Meeting, configuring your desired setup, and executing the workflow. This is a simple but powerful method for building smarter automations inside N8N. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want to see more N8N automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.